In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start chat with friends on Reddit. If you're new to Reddit or you've mostly just browsed posts and comments, the chat feature can feel a little hidden at first. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simplest way to start a conversation with a friend directly from their profile, and I'll also share a few tips to make sure everything works smoothly. First, make sure you're logged into your Reddit account. You can use either the Reddit mobile app or a web browser on your computer. The basic idea is the same on both. Once you're signed in, the key is to go directly to your friend's profile. There are a couple of easy ways to do this. If you see your friend in a comment thread or a post, you can simply tap or click on their username, and that will take you straight to their profile page. Alternatively, if you already know their username, you can use the search bar at the top of Reddit. Type in their username, select it from the results, and open their profile. When you arrive on your friend's profile, take a moment to confirm it's the right person. Check their username carefully and maybe glance at their recent posts, just to be sure you're not messaging the wrong account, especially if there are similar looking names. Now, on their profile page, look for the chat option. On the Reddit mobile app, you'll usually see a chat icon or a button near the top of the screen, often next to a message or follow button. On the desktop site, you'll typically find a chat button or icon close to their username or under their profile banner. Go ahead and click or tap on that chat option. As soon as you do this, Reddit will open a chat window or a chat screen with that friend. You'll see a text box where you can type your message just like any other messaging app. Type a friendly greeting to start, maybe introduce yourself if you haven't talked before, and then hit send. Keep in mind, your friend will need to have chat enabled and they might have privacy settings that limit who can contact them. If you don't see a chat option on their profile, or if you get an error, it could be because their settings don't allow chats from everyone. In that case, you might try sending a private message instead, if that option is available. And that's it. By going to your friend's profile and clicking on chat, you can